How to eliminate keratosis pilaris naturally without the need of any medication. Dermatologist after Dermatologist told me keratosis pilaris was uncurable. But I wasn't having that for an answer. I easily and permanently got rid of my KP in just 5 days. And I can show you how. At last, the truth will be exposed so that you can cure your keratosis pilaris naturally and get your confidence back, from the comfort of your own home. As a 15-year KP sufferer myself, I will show you how I cleared my skin permanently, started to feel comfortable in tank tops again, finally wasn't petrified to be touched on my body, stopped wasting money trying every skincare cream at the stores, and was relieved there was nothing to pick anymore. It's time to show off your skin. After fighting KP for over 15 years, I know exactly how you feel. I've wrote down my experience in a new system called Banish My Bumps. It contains everything you need to know to clear up keratosis pilaris, from the inside out. Plus, these are changes that anyone can do. You don't need to be a doctor or a nutrition nut. You just need to have a strong desire to be rid of long-sleeve loving KP, once and for all. Click on the link below to get rid of keratosis pilaris quickly and permanently.